Thinking about visiting the United States from Malaysia? The US visa process for 2025 has changed a lot, and it's never been more important to stay updated, especially with the new fees and tougher rules. First off, if you hold a Malaysian passport, you'll need a B1/B2 visitor visa, even if your friends from Singapore or Japan can use ESTA. If you have a passport from a visa waiver program country, you're in luck, but otherwise, get ready for the full application process. Here's the big update. Besides the regular visa application fee, which is now $185, there's a brand new $250 visa integrity fee. You only pay this if your visa is approved, but it's a hefty extra charge. If this feels overwhelming, remember, BP Management can help guide you through these new fees and requirements. Plus, the I-94 form fee has jumped to $24. So, just to get your visa, you're looking at over $450 in fees. And while you can get that $250 back if you follow all the rules and leave on time, the refund process is slow and complicated. BP Management can help make this step less stressful and ensure you know exactly what to expect. Now about the rules. US immigration is stricter than ever. Overstaying, even for a medical emergency, can get you detained, deported, and banned for up to 10 years. If you're worried about these strict consequences, BP Management can help you plan ahead and avoid any missteps. The conditions in detention aren't great, even for tourists. My advice? Do not overstay and keep every document and receipt in case you run into trouble. Planning ahead is crucial. Budget for all the new costs. Prepare your documents thoroughly and double-check everything on your application. Don't risk losing those non-refundable fees. If you want expert help navigating these changes, BP Management is here to make the process smoother and easier. Got questions? Drop them in the comments or contact us directly. We're ready to help you get to the US hassle-free. Safe travels.